presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: premium lighting group included, LED taillamps, front LED fog lamps, LED reflector headlamps, 3.92 rear axle ratio, sport appearance package included, body color door handles, tires, 275/55 auto 20 OWL all-season grille, B-color outline, 1 texture, 2 body color rear bumper with step pads, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, black interior accents, auto dim exterior, driver mirror, body color, front bumper, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors with memory, power folding mirrors, power heated fold-away mirrors, engine, 5.7L V8 Hemi MDS VVT included, Hemi badge, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, 180 amp alternator, 18-inch aluminum spare wheel, heavy-duty engine cooling, active noise control system, quick order package, 20